There are two types of tropical design, traditional and modern. Traditional tropical design ay based sa klima at indigenous knowledge na napatunayan na over generations. Modern tropical design, ina-adapt ang prinsipyo nito gamit ang modern materials at technology. Traditional tropical design, gumagamit ng local materials tulad ng kawayan, nipa, rattan at kahoy para natural na mamanage ang init at humidity. Modern tropical design, pinagsasama ang concrete, steel at glass with natural accent like timber or stone para sa durability at warmth. Traditional tropical design, may matataas na bubong, elevated floors at malalawak na veranda para sa airflow at flood protection. Modern tropical design, gumagamit ng flat o low-pitch roof na may deep overhangs, open layouts at seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Traditional tropical design, umaasa sa passive cooling tulad ng cross ventilations at breathable walls. Modern tropical design, pinagsasama ang passive strategies at smart solution tulad ng pisole, shade courtyards at heat-reducing glass. Parehong climate responsive, ang difference lang ay paano ina-apply ang klima sa modern living at construction ngayon. For more smart property design, follow architect Brendan and Rufa.